Hello Abaqus users. In this video we are going to talk about HETVAL subroutine in Abaqus. HETVAL is a subroutine to define heat generation into the material in heat transfer analysis. To understand how to do that easily and quickly, stay with us. But the first question is, how heat is going to be generated into the materials? Internal heat generation. One of the phenomena in that heat is generating into the material is phase transformation. The new phase can generate new heat. So you can define the internal heat generation due to phase transformation by HETVAL subroutine in Abaqus. The second application is phased field fracture mechanic. When you have a new crack and crack propagation and crack initiation, of course, heat can be generated. You can define that heat by HETVAL subroutine in Abaqus. There are other applications for heat generation, internal heat generation, that you can use HETVAL subroutine to define that. Let's talk about HETVAL subroutine variables. HETVAL has some parameters. First, Abaqus computes some of the parameters like time, temperature, and state variable. These parameters and variables are input to the HETVAL subroutine. You need to get these parameters into the HETVAL subroutine, do some calculations based on your model and your formula, compute the flux, the amount of heat is going to be generated into the material, flux 2, which is derivative of the flux 1 with respect to temperature, and update the state variable if you have, and return back these variables to the Abaqus. Based on this, we have prepared a tutorial package for you to learn HETVAL subroutine easily and quickly. In this package, first, in a video we have explained the formulation of HETVAL subroutine. Then HETVAL variables are explained in details in another video. The examples of HETVAL subroutine is explained line by line to you. HETVAL subroutine needs to be solved in Abaqus software. So the Abaqus models solving the HETVAL subroutine is explained step by step to you as a beginner. After running the simulations, the result extraction from HETVAL applications is explained. And all Abaqus and HETVAL files are also included in this package. Example number 1, which is actually the simplest case, explains the most necessary details to you if you don't want to go through the depth of the HETVAL subroutine. In example number 2, for more complex example, it explains more details. And example number 3, all details are covered in an example. So with the files and videos, you can learn HETVAL easily. If you want to download this package, you can use the link in the description. You need more? You don't have maybe time to write your own HETVAL subroutine, or you want your HETVAL to be written sooner and tested and confirmed and actually delivered to you, we can write your HETVAL subroutine and teach it to you with videos. You can order your project by the link in the description. Thank you very much for your attention.